Hello, my name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. Today we're going to learn about batteries. Batteries are very interesting, but I'm going to teach you in a very simple way to know the symptoms, what they do, how to read them, and educate you from there. All right, so here is a battery in a F-150. On the battery, there's very important information that you should really know. One of the first things you need to know is the plus size. That is the group size. How big is the battery and what is going to fit in your vehicle. You cannot alter that number. When you go to your battery, look for this number and take a picture of it. The second number is the cold cranking amps. This is the amps you're going to need to start this engine. If you go below, the engine will not start in any shape from way. It'll just make a click, 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 click noise. And your car will run extremely funny. This is extremely important. The third number right here, pay attention to the date of the battery that was created. When you're buying a battery, look at this sticker. Buy one as close as, just like milk, as close as you can to the day that you're buying the battery. This was made in April. This battery was just put inside this vehicle by our company. Another thing people don't really understand is when you buy a battery, I'm going to do it right in front of you with one hand. When you're buying a battery, people don't understand that there are cells inside the battery. This is acid, so be very careful doing this. I don't recommend. But if you look down in there, I'm going to shake the battery. You see the acid is pretty much over almost on the top. When you have a bad battery, the acid will literally go all the way to the very bottom, and you'll never ever be able to recharge this battery. And if you do, it will not hold a charge. And that's why we tell our customers to pay attention to that right there, because a lot of the automotive places, they'll try to say, oh, we'll recharge it. But in the long run, they don't show them. There's 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. And that's extremely important. The battery runs the whole entire vehicle. The alternator, which is right here, is actually the one that recharges the battery. It has really no other purpose except to recharge this battery. This battery should be around 12 volts, 12.5, 12.6, but you do have to have something that's going to charge over like 13 to 14 or 14 and a half to keep the battery completely charged. And that is today's tip. So if you like today's tip about the battery, please hit that like button and subscribe so we can keep putting out information that saves you time and money. Also, if you wish to donate, our Cash App is $ the Mobile Mechanic 757. Please like and subscribe so we can keep coming in and bringing in these great videos. Thank you.